Floral design shoes for women, the perfect blend of style and comfort. The Air Heel React running shoes are more than just footwear. They're a statement piece. Designed with vibrant floral patterns, these shoes are a celebration of elegance and practicality, making them perfect for women who love to express their unique style. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. Key features of the Air Heel React running shoes. Stylish floral design. The standout feature is the beautiful floral print adorning the shoe's surface. This design adds a touch of femininity and charm to any outfit, ensuring you stand out wherever you go. High-quality material. These shoes are crafted with a textile fly-knit mesh upper, enhanced by synthetic suede overlays. This combination provides flexibility, breathability, and durability. Comfort-driven technology. Equipped with React foam forefoot and midsole, these shoes ensure a cushioned, responsive feel, perfect for running or everyday activities. Convenience in every step. The removable toggle lacing system allows for easy wear and removal. Paired with a handy heel pull tab, these features make them practical and functional. Modern sole design. Featuring transparent and white soles or sleek black soles, these shoes cater to diverse style preferences. Both options provide excellent grip and stability. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. Why choose the Air Heel React running shoes? These shoes are one of the newest silhouettes to hit the market, boasting a modern design that combines fashion and performance. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or simply looking for a versatile footwear option, these shoes are a perfect choice. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. Proudly made to order. Every pair of Air Heel React running shoes is made to order, ensuring quality and uniqueness in every piece. Using state-of-the-art screen printing and print-to-garment processes, these shoes are crafted with care and precision. While minor variations in hues and brands may occur due to supply chain factors, you can rest assured that the quality is always top-notch. Shipping and delivery information. Standard shipping, delivered within 8 to 18 business days. Express shipping, delivered within 3 to 8 business days. Whether you're looking for a vibrant addition to your wardrobe or a gift for someone special, the Air Heel React running shoes offer the perfect balance of style, comfort, and functionality. Get ready to embrace floral fashion and elevate your footwear game.